Imagine a book lying on top of a table. We can easily say, the book is on the table, but have you ever wondered why we say on the table? Why not inside the table or under the table? This simple question actually relates to how humans understand space. In cognitive linguistics, words like on, under, in, out, toward, and many other spatial expressions are not just grammatical choices. These words reflect how humans understand the world through physical experience. Cognitive linguistics is a branch of linguistics that studies the relationship between language, thought, and human experience. Unlike traditional approaches that see language as a system of abstract rules, cognitive linguistics views language as something deeply connected to how humans experience and interpret the world. One important idea in cognitive linguistics is that our bodily experiences shape the way we understand concepts. Humans live in a physical world where directions like up and down exist because of gravity. We also move from one place to another, enter and exit spaces, and place objects inside containers. These repeated experiences form patterns in our minds. These patterns are known as image schemas. An image schema is a basic mental structure that develops from our repeated interactions with the world. These structures help us organize and understand many concepts in language. One of the most common image schemas is the container schema. A container has three main parts: an inside, a boundary, and an outside. We often use this concept in everyday language. For example, we say water in a glass, books in a bag, or children inside a house. Interestingly, this concept is not only used for physical objects. We also use it to understand abstract ideas. For example, we might say, she is in trouble, or, he finally got out of a difficult situation. Trouble is not a physical space, yet we conceptualize it as if it were a container that someone can enter or exit. Another important image schema is the path schema. This schema involves movement from one point to another. It usually consists of a starting point, a path, and a destination. We can see this in sentences like, she walked to the campus, he came from home, or, they are moving toward the park. But again, this structure is not limited to physical movement. We also use it to describe abstract experiences. For example, we talk about a journey of life, moving towards success, or finding a way out of a problem. In these examples, life is understood as a journey with a direction and a goal. Spatial concepts are also commonly used in metaphors. For instance, we often associate up with positive meanings. We say, her mood is high, he climbed the career ladder, or, their performance improved. On the other hand, we associate down with negative situations. We might say, he fell into depression, or, her motivation dropped. This shows that humans often use physical spatial experience to understand emotional and social concepts. We even use spatial concepts to understand time. For example, we say, we are moving toward the future, leaving the past behind, or, the deadline is ahead of us. The future is not literally in front of us, but language still uses spatial orientation to explain time. From these examples, we can see that language is not just a tool for communication. Language also reflects how humans organize experience and understand reality. Through simple words like in, on, toward, or out, humans use complex cognitive structures to make sense of the world. This is what makes cognitive linguistics so fascinating. By studying language, we are not only studying words and sentences. We are also studying how the human mind works and how people construct meaning from their experiences.